Hello, welcome to Food Basket. Today we are going to prepare chicken noodles. With vegetables, egg and chicken, this is a very nutritious preparation. It can be served as a snack or as a whole meal. Let us see how to prepare chicken noodles. Here I have taken 150 grams of French beans, 200 grams of carrot, 1 large onion, 1-inch piece of ginger, 8 small cloves of garlic and 1 green chili. We are adding chicken to the noodles. We need to cook this chicken beforehand. I have taken 500 grams of chicken, 2-inch piece of ginger, 7 small cloves of garlic and 1 green chili. Let us grind the ginger, garlic and green chili in a mixie. Let us add it to the chicken. Let us add salt. Let us mix it well. Let us cover and keep for 30 minutes. Let us cook the marinated chicken in a pressure cooker. There is no need to add water. The chicken will leave water. After the first whistle, let us reduce the flame. Let it remain on the reduced flame for 5 minutes. Then we can turn off the gas. We can use the remaining chicken stock in soup, etc. We are taking only 200 grams of the chicken for the noodles. I have cooked extra chicken for preparing cutlets separately. Let us finely chop the onion, ginger, garlic, green chili, beans and carrot. Let us shred 200 grams of chicken. Let us take 2 eggs. Let us add a pinch of turmeric powder, a pinch of pepper powder, salt and let us beat the eggs. Let us take 500 grams of noodles. Let us boil it with a little salt. When the noodles are half cooked, let us turn off the gas. Let us drain the noodles. Let us heat a frying pan. Let us add 2 tablespoons oil. Let us add 200 grams of the shredded chicken. Let us add a pinch of turmeric powder, a pinch of red chili powder and a pinch of pepper powder. Let us add salt. Let us fry the chicken well. Chicken is well fried. Let us transfer it into a plate. To the same pan, let us add 2 tablespoons oil. Let us add the chopped ginger, garlic and green chili. The ginger and garlic are well fried. Let us add the chopped onion. The onion is well sauteed. Let us add the chopped beans and carrot. Let us add a pinch of turmeric powder, half teaspoon pepper powder and salt. Let us mix it well. Let us saute the beans and carrot on a high flame. Let us reduce the flame. Let us cover and cook for 2 minutes. Let us again saute on high flame. Vegetables should not get overcooked. They are crunchy now. Let us add the beaten eggs. The eggs are a little set now. Let us turn it from the sides. Let us cook the eggs well. The egg is well fried now. Let us add the noodles and chicken. Let us spread the noodles and add. Let us mix it well. Let us use a fork and mix it in this manner. The noodles are well mixed now. Let us turn off the gas. Let us cover and keep for 2 minutes. Chicken noodles are now ready. Let us transfer it into a serving tray. Hope you like the chicken noodles preparation. Definitely try it out. Send me your feedback. Thank you. Come again. Goodbye.